today the ads are very expensive. I mean, running ads is a very cumbersome thing.
Actually, running ads are not expensive.
Huh.
Sustaining ads are expensive because what's happening is everyone is running ads. Everybody is there.
Yeah.
So visibility is expensive.
Yes, that's my question actually.
Yeah.
So ads and even influencer marketing is very expensive. Especially someone
marketing
who is starting up, you know.
Yeah.
Tell me some organic ways one can crack it.
A lot of my influencer friends will be very upset with me, but I feel influencer marketing works very well for many brands.
Yeah.
They somewhere don't work that well with Nimai's voice. Simply because I've always seen Nimai as a space where we give genuine ownership to genuine voice.
Yeah.
So a lot of the influencers that we know are actually our customers. They are actually jewelry people who love wearing jewelry, love styling jewelry. There it's different because then they have either bought something or we've gifted them something because it fits a certain thing. But the minute I start paying them money to wear something, I'm paying them money to become my third-party endorser.
Right.
And with Nimai's ethos, it doesn't work. But again, I'm not the reference point because I will always teach you to become Gunda. And like my friends call me Chota Pataka because I'm always questioning it.
Yeah.
It's worked well for us, but it's a tough road. Having said that,
Yeah.
I think influencer marketing also comes, it's the easiest way to shine,
Yeah.
but in the first place, it's not need. Your real visibility comes from your real customers. You rather get your real customers to give you online testimonials, to style your pieces, bring in the newness, because again with influencers, it's become a very crowded space.
Yeah.
One influencer can be seen changing 20 outfits from 20 brands. It's tough to match up.
Yeah.
And while you have some amazing influencers who still have a very strong voice, but still the kind of
falling out
money,
too, right?
the kind of money that they charge, and again they need to survive.
Yes.
They for them it's their career. So respect to their career, but not everyone needs to add that sheer pressure of leaning on an influencer to make their brand fail. I'd rather go to, like, for example, let's say with your outfits, with hand-drawn. Imagine how when I see hand-drawn on your website versus how I see hand-drawn on you and me, it looks different.
Yeah.
Chances are that when people see this being styled in a more realistic approach, you'll have more takers to it. So I have a feeling that, again, like I say, with access to everything, we've made our space so chaotic.
Yeah.
The idea is to go back to the basics and say, one step at a time.
Bingo.
पहले product लाओ, product बनाओ, उसको sample करो, पहले friends and family को दो, थोड़ा dipstick study करो, understand करो, product कैसा है, अच्छा है कि नहीं है. Like I still remember, we had this young designer who's now become very big, and I will not take her name, but when she started out, उसने एक छोटा सा collection बनाया था, and where she had this beautiful spiral rings, which was beautiful, and for her level of design, it was very nice because it was the first collection. And वो आते ही ना बिक गया, आते ही first day आते ही बिक गया, and the ring was not सस्ता, it was about 4 या 5,000 रुपए. I'm talking 2015, which was महंगा. बिकने के 2 दिन के बाद customer आया, and customer was again somebody from the design fraternity, well known, highly regarded. He says, it's peeling off. What have you sold me? The thing is peeling off. I'm like, oh shit. So I looked at the jewelry and the entire plating was coming off. So went back to the designer, say, ये तो कर पा रहा है. She said, oh shit, मुझे तो ये plating आता है और कुछ आता नहीं है. So I said, okay, let's identify more plating people for you.
Yeah.
Let's improvise. And then it took her about a month to improvise, and finally when she gave the ring's plating was intact, but the model of the story was that trial and testing is very important. So similarly, when you're starting something, your first set of compliments, your first set of constructive criticism, your first set of everything will come from people who know you.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching my clips. If you want more clips like this, please follow my channel, the SMS India Clips.